Hey family, my name is Ashley. Welcome to AMLDTV. So today I am going to, first let me start by saying I am currently outside. I love nature.
What really happened on that Thursday here at Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death? I'm dying.
I just love, chillaxing. So I decided why not do an outside video today. Alright, the lighting would have been better, but your girl is a recovering procrastinator.
What you say?
So yes, but anyways, slight disclaimer, but today I'm here to show you guys how to create a do-it-yourself peel-off skin mask, y'all. I'll be coming up with these concoctions, you feel me? So I just thought, why not just put it all here on one platform to share with y'all. Wait, to share the tea with y'all.
No, I'm rocking the feelings. Yeah. And boy, sipping tea.
Oh Lord, I rebuke it in the name of Jesus.
So today I decided, why not try some apple cider vinegar?
I'm Gabby, and today, what are we gonna do?
We are drinking apple cider vinegar. Ready?
I'm scared. Ooh, okay, go. Make you get chills.
Apple cider vinegar is great, as you can see. I've used a significant amount, but it's great for dark spots on your skin and other benefits that I will add right down here. So yeah, apple cider vinegar is amazing, and it's really good for your health as well. Fitness for my fitness people. And I also have some honey here. I will add the benefits. Honey has a lot of antibacterial properties, so it's really good for people who have acne. It's a really good preventative method, and there's a lot of other benefits that I'll add down in the facts. And I actually have some unflavored gelatin. Unflavored gelatin. Your girl's sweating. You see my skin oily, but we got a solution today. So let's get into this video. Alright, so we are just gonna take a bowl. I am, making this up as I go, but bear with me, y'all. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of honey. Okay. I'm just gonna make enough for one mask. That much honey. Let me shake up the apple cider vinegar. You always want to shake it up because it has the mother at the bottom, which is, it's just the stuff that separates from the liquid. So you always want to shake your apple cider vinegar up. And then, brings back bad memories, y'all. Bad memories of doing this, drinking it literally every day for fitness. Whew, Jesus, gives me the shivers. I can literally taste it right now. So, oh my gosh, it smells, but y'all, it's gonna work because it's great for what we are trying to accomplish here today. So the gelatin comes in these packs. I got the cheapest thing I could find, okay? It's the Walmart brand. Probably put about that much. Let's put a little bit more. Nah, I'm just saying. I am tired. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, look, it's literally like solid right now. Y'all see that? Solid. Just gonna mix it up. Mix it all up. See? Just mix it all up in there. Maybe I'll add a little bit more apple cider vinegar. Get that concentration going. Alright. So guys, guess what? I went back to school on the 26th, and literally it has been an adjustment. It has never been so hard. Whoa, that's wow, this really smells. Jesus. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Some just fell. So yeah, school. I'm a senior, and it's pretty hard sometimes to find that motivation. Oh, this freaking stinks. Oh Lord. Oh. But anyways, sometimes yeah, it'd be feeling real hard to get into that motivated state. But let me just use my hands. But oh, it's hard to talk, y'all, because it just smells so bad. But yeah, it'd be hard to get into the school state of mind. But I think I'm finally getting there 3 weeks later. Oh, Jesus. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to get past the smell of this. It's kind of hard. But y'all, this is my first attempt. Okay, see how my brain be jumping? This is my first attempt at a peel off radical. We shall see. Will it work? Will it not? What could I do different? Let me know. But yeah, it's been kind of hard, you know, because it's like school really becomes your life, and it takes a lot of devotion, it takes a lot of time, and it takes a lot of mental strength to continue on, because it's like you really don't even have to do it. Like, yeah, it betters your life, but you literally, like, it's a choice. Like, it's not like high school where you get in trouble, you know, you just have to like really push yourself to even get in that mode and state of mind. But y'all, I'm telling you, we are almost there. To my seniors out there, and you have come too far to turn around and back down. Okay, mama ain't raised no quitter. Mama ain't raised no quitter. Okay, so just stick it out. Oh, I'm definitely washing my hair again. But yeah, just stick it out, and you know, each day at a time. Take it each day at a time. I would definitely suggest putting reminders in your phone. Always put reminders, so that you can put all your assignments, special notes your teacher says, all of that. Reminders. It's definitely necessary. But yeah, school's going good. Very stressful. The thing about college that is very intense is the fact that the teachers aren't talking like, oh, Ashley got an essay today and she has this tomorrow and this today too and this tomorrow. No, they're not talking. They don't care. And that's okay. But it's just like, you know, it's the fact that you have to push yourself through all the assignments and everything that's being asked of you, and then trying to keep up with, you know, your social life and all of that. It could be very, very, very stressful. But at the end of your 4 years or 6 years or 8 years or however long it takes, it will definitely be worth it. It will definitely be worth it. So yeah, just definitely get your sleep at night. Get your sleep at night. Put some masks on your face, okay? And make sure your skin right, because stress does cause pimples. But hey, that's okay because if your pimples come, we are on AMLT TV. Okay? So, anyways, back to skincare. I'm going to let this sit on my face for 10-20 minutes. We'll see. Yeah, so I'll be back. Alright, y'all. It has been 20 minutes, and as you can see, I am looking pretty dry and crusty. Got the crust in there. Got the crust. No, I'm saying. But yes, guys. Ooh, my smile. Make sure y'all don't smile when you have this mask, because supposedly I heard that it makes you get wrinkles. So be careful now. But anyways, yes. Let's get this mask off. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. Jesus. Kinda. Oh, Lord. This, what in the world? Okay. So that's what we're doing. Okay. Oh, so I'm getting a face wax. Alright. Oh. This is partially my hair, like in my head, but as you can see, it's pulling the hair. Boy, you about as ashy as I don't know what. But what we gonna do about that? Coconut oil. Get that coconut oil, girl. Get you a little dollop and start rubbing it in. Just look how it just my skin is screaming, thank you, Ashley. Thank you. Some moisture. Y'all, look how, can you see my pores? My skin look good. Well, that's all, folks. My skin looks great. I have apple cider vinegar crust in my hair, but my skin looks great. And that's all that matters, and that's all you're here for. So yes, I hope that you guys have a blessed night. I hope that you click that like button, subscribe, and click that bell for notification. Okay, I hope that you guys join the family, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm moving around a lot, sorry, but I'll be posting 5 videos a week, so stay tuned, join the family, and be back for more. Yeah. Now, stay tuned for the Bible verse of the day. Be blessed, y'all.